Hello everyone and welcome to Latin Malal's 81st weekly wrap. Today I'll be taking on the whole discussion on the market wrap, and as Nirav sir is not available, I'll be starting with our global and domestic markets. So global cues today have been quite positive. Nikkei and Hang Seng have been positive. There's no sort of a problem. The only problem is that some Houthi terrorist outfits have been saying that they have been successfully stricken a US ship, but US denies this. So there's some kind of trouble over there. Apart from that, Iran and Pakistan have done one attack each on both countries. So I don't know if that's going to get escalated or not, but I don't think that poses a very big threat to the world, because we've seen wars happening right now, Ukraine and Russia. Then we've had Hamas and Israel, and now Pakistan and Iran. So I think let's wait and watch what happens over there. Coming to Indian markets, I think 2 days ago we just snapped a 5-day upward streak, and we saw Nifty correcting strongly by about 500 to 600 points, and it was mainly led by HDFC Bank. After the result of HDFC Bank, we saw HDFC Bank correcting by about 8 to 10% in 2 trading sessions. I think mainly why it has corrected is it missed the estimates by 0.5% in margin and the revenue. But moreover, I think there is fear of the bank converting their expensive borrowings to cheaper term deposits. So the market is worried how they are going to convert it and when they are going to convert it, because after the merger, HDFC has more expensive long-term borrowings. So that is what is hurting their net interest margins. So the market is actually waiting on how it handles the situation over there, and because of that, the whole financial pack gave away in the last 2 to 3 days. I think that is what also led the Nifty to erase some kind of gains and come down. But if we see, the B group was pretty strong in those times. Today, if we go to see, Nifty is very strong. The B group is very strong, led by railway stocks, especially. Railway is on fire. I think we have stocks like Ilcon, Texmaco, Textrail, all of that about 8 to 10% up. So I think it's a strong pullback from the correction that we've seen in the bull market. And I think we remain positive on our railway and defense theme. Even defense is doing pretty well. Coming to the results, we saw Network 18 result 2 days ago. They've been saying that Jio is taking a lead position. Colors is also having a very strong content creation over there, and I think all these gets Network 18 into a very sweet spot for the future. I think in the coming few months and years, it will take the prime position. I think that is the strategy of Geo when we come there. I think the network market has also, media and network market has also consolidated. So I think that is also very attractive. Then coming to TCS. TCS had also given out the results. They've been saying that the sector has gone into a consolidation, and now they are seeing some kind of green shoots with customers changing hands, and now there will be time for tailwinds in the coming few months. So we are positive over there as well, but I think we should wait before entering IT, because IT was also under pressure. Though we saw some kind of rally in some IT stocks, but it also gave away gains in the last 2 to 3 days. There are three heavyweights today that are going to declare their results. One is the Reliance, second is HUL, and the third is Ultratech Cement. Coming to Reliance, I think the consumer consumption side, the theme remains strong, and also the oil refinery side, also the margins are going to be good, because crude has been under $80 a barrel. So both these coupled, I think the result will be good. They posted definitely a good result. It is seen in the price. We are seeing Reliance at about 2750 levels. So I think we can hold on to that. Coming to the consumer side, Reliance Retail and Jio both are going to be backed with, I think, slightly better numbers, because that is what is like the affluent crowd of India has been shopping. But if we go to see the some statistics that I would like to show is that if we see the data, the sale that happens in December had happened 10 days earlier. With that means that people are not buying as much as they would have expected. So that is a slightly contradicting point that we see over here. But I think affluent doesn't get affected by that, but the masses are getting affected. So I think maybe it is something called the revenge buying that had happened after COVID. So people must have overbought and still not returned, or people are still traveling and they have not returned back to the country and started shopping. So I think that is slightly contradicting. But I'm sure Reliance Retail, the affluent side, has nothing to worry about. Coming to HUL, we've started seeing some kind of green shoots over there, but it is too early. Only the rural economy has picked up. The consumer staples is being purchased, but it's too early to say anything. And the so basically to see some kind of margin improvement, it would still take a quarter or something. But we still need to see how the results will come and what kind of estimates it's beating or not. So that will definitely drive the stock price, because I think whatever estimates, if they are beating or not, I think the market has become jittery. It is kind of reacting to it slightly in a slightly extreme way. So that is what we need to see. And coming to the third result, that is the Ultratech, that's the heavyweight. Ultratech. Siemens, I think the revenue, the initial commentary that we saw, the revenue is going to take a hit, the sales is going to take a hit, but the margins have improved because the inflationary pressure has come down, the crude has come down, so the margin is definitely going to get improved, and we might see some profit. So the margin improvement, so hence the bottom line will also be improved. I think all in all, this is what we see in this week, and I think coming week also we need to watch out, because though corrections are healthy, we did top out, we came down, the Nifty came down, we are again back, we are recovering slightly, but it doesn't mean that this is a trend. It will again begin the upward trend, or it was a trend reversal downward. So we just need to be slightly cautious, and every dip is an opportunity to buy. So we maintain liking towards our stronghold themes, and I think buy whenever you get a chance. I think that's about it on my side, and I think this week's market wrap will end here. Please like, share, subscribe, and result season is going to start in full swing in the coming week. After the heavyweights, we see some kind of B groups declaring their result in the coming week. So stay tuned for more updates on results. Thank you.